Hi everyone, I was able to find some time to revisit my pressure cooker C6 era, and I have included the parts that was giving me problem in the description, so you can Google the parts name and then find a replacement. Yeah, thank you for watching. I bought a new one. So I was able to use the voltmeter to poke around, test the continuity of the malfunction one. So that just give you what's happening. So when I plug this in, it will say C6 error. So what I found out is actually the circuit board is okay. It's just telling us something wrong with the circuit. It doesn't say the circuit board itself is malfunction. There's something in the circuit that's wrong. So I finally was able to figure it out is this guy. This is called, they call the pressure switch, but actually it's a bimetallic switch that open and close depends on the temperature. So the lateral position according to the new one should be closed, but this one somehow it becomes open, like when this high voltage apply across the little gap. It becomes a maintenance item because like sparks would fly and metal will transfer over to the ponds, making it doesn't work. So it's really simple. It's just a straightforward 2-wire. So in the lateral position it should be closed. So to replace that, I use a jumper wire to jump across the terminal, these two terminals. These two terminals. So that's replace the switch because in lateral, like I said, lateral position is closed. So now I close these two terminals and then I'll plug it in. Voila! So I can actually select, and it fixed the error.